If you want your local business to stand out online, optimizing your Google business profile, formerly Google My Business, is essential. Following the right best practices can help you improve visibility, attract more customers, and build a strong online reputation. First, make sure your business information is complete and accurate. Include your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. Select the most relevant categories for your business, and write a clear, keyword-rich description. Consistency across all online platforms is crucial for better search rankings. Next, add high-quality photos and videos. Show off your storefront, products, services, and team. Regularly updating visuals keeps your profile fresh and engaging, and Google favors profiles with active photo uploads. Videos, even short clips, can help attract more attention and clicks. Collect and manage reviews strategically. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews, and always respond to them promptly. Positive reviews boost credibility and trust, while timely responses show that you value customer feedback. Another key best practice is posting regularly. Use Google Posts to share updates, promotions, events, or new products. Active profiles demonstrate engagement to Google and can help improve your ranking in local search results. Optimize your Q&A section as well. Preemptively answer common questions your customers may have. Clear, informative, and keyword-rich answers can improve relevance and reduce the need for potential customers to look elsewhere. Finally, monitor insights and analytics. Google provides data on how users find your listing, what actions they take, and where your audience is located. Use these insights to refine your content, keywords, and engagement strategy to maximize your profile's performance. Thanks for watching. If these Google Business Profile best practices helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more local SEO tips, digital marketing strategies, and business growth hacks. Comment below and tell me, which best practice will you implement first to optimize your profile?